Pepper?
Remove the straps from the hockey mask. Now take some sandpaper and sand it down. This makes it easier to paint and adds the rough look to it. Take an Xacto blade and scratch the mask. Cut out a little chunk on the top right of the mask. Get rid of the sharp edges by sanding. Use tan and coral colored paint. Mix it around and add it to the mask. It helps to wipe it off just to make it look withered. I tested it out on a piece of cardstock to see if the colors worked well together. This takes a little bit of practice and trial and error. Take a black marker to define the scratches. Add some lines around the orbits of the eyes as well. Use some brownish red paint to act as the blood. I'm adding it around the chipped piece, and I'm also dipping the paintbrush into the paint and flicking it. That way it makes blood splatters appear. Now I'm taking a red paint pen to make the red decals. I'm using a black fine tip marker to define the scratches once again. Now put the head strap back on. Now here's the finished product. It was pretty inexpensive. I bought the mask on Amazon for only 10 bucks and I had some paint laying around and I think it turned out pretty good.